Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable CD or DVD drive in virtual machine on VMware. So first of all, open up your VMware, and then from here you have to right click on your virtual machine and then go to settings. Then you have to go to CD or DVD setup, and in here if you want to enable your CD or DVD drive, you have to make sure that this box for connect at power on is checked. But if you do not want to, that means that if you want to disable CD or DVD drive, you want to uncheck this. Okay, but if you want to enable this, then you have to make sure that this is checked. And after that, if you want to use a particular CD or DVD, then you can use your physical drive. That means you actually have a CD or DVD drive on your host machine, and you popped a CD or DVD in your drive, and from there it can install the files that you want, or you can use an ISO file like most of us do and just use that.